And so those skills, don't assume you know them. It's that like you have to learn them and practice them. Because even if you read a great book on leadership, well, one isn't going to get you there. You might need to read 50 or 60. But even if you do the work and look, I have a doctorate in leadership, you study it, you have to then go out in the world and practice it because it's different in the different contexts within which you work. And so I think recognizing that you are not alone, that's the first thing, and getting help. I mean, it's why I coach people, right? And so a lot of times, I know for me, there was a point in my journey as a director of nursing where I really didn't have like a coach or mentor there. And I wanted more support. So, of course, as a coach, I just hired one for myself and I didn't think anything of it. I mean, it would have been nice if they had paid for it, but I didn't care. I knew that I wanted to represent myself in a certain way and that people are watching you. They're learning from you as especially when you have a position or a title. And so you get to decide who you want to be, how you want to show up. And there are certain things that you definitely need to know as a leader. And the first is, the vision, where are you going? And the second is the values that you are aspiring to and that you expect other people to aspire to. And those values should be pretty similar to the organization. You wouldn't want them to be too incongruent with what the organization is doing, but they may be a little different.